You've seen her on network television shows all across the country. I recently saw her speak at NASDAQ, and she was so terrific, I had to bring her here for you today. Please welcome Thomesa Lydon.
Margaritas by the pool in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. In late September, by the way. And I was having a great time. I was having so much fun until my sister's phone call came in. You've got to get to San Antonio right now. Why? What's wrong? Dad's in the hospital. Mom's home alone. Mom can't be home alone. Mom has Alzheimer's. I have got to catch the next flight out. Now, we all know there are two things in life you can count on: death and taxes. But I'm here to tell you, I believe there is a third one. And that is, at some point in time, you are going to get that urgent phone call from a sibling that says you got to get from your town to somebody else's town and help your loved one immediately. My family made all the mistakes. So that you don't have to, I've written the book, Smart Living for Seniors: How to Make the Best of the Rest. When parents are in their 60s and the kids are in their 40s, it is time to let the conversations begin. You've got to start talking about how your parents are going to get older and what is going to happen when changes need to be made. Don't just let it happen by chance. Did you know that every 13 minutes, 100 people turn 60? Some of those folks just suddenly turn into old fogies. But the smart ones, they think they're recycled teenagers. And they are already thinking about downsizing. They can't wait to be free of those large, high-maintenance homes. They are taking back their life. They're getting rid of the clutter. They're buying the smaller, more manageable homes. Honey, we're going to have so much time when I no longer am taking care of this yard. We can go on that cruise. Oh, I know, dear. When I don't have to clean all these rooms that we never go into, we can see the grandkids more often. I'm so excited. We just want to have fun. Yeah. The smart ones have a plan. A simple plan can make all the difference in the world in an easy move, or one that will just weigh you down, maybe cause injury, disability, or even death. Now, I know that sounds extreme, but that, sadly, is what happened in my family. That move without a plan put my dad in his grave. That same move put my mom in memory care. Memory care are places where they take live bodies that no longer have the brain to remember that they're your mommy. Mrs. Keegan, is this your daughter? I don't know who she is, but she's been sitting here all day. Now, words cannot express what my mind thought, but I will never forget how my heart felt as it dropped to my lap. My mission is to educate baby boomers and their parents so that they can enjoy the next living chapter of their lives. And so they don't have to experience and endure what I did in my family. Why take the risk of getting that urgent phone call when there's already a crisis? Be smart. Plan for the best of the rest of your life, and I will see you hanging at the pool having fun. Yeah!